Electricity is the energy of the future. It's what brings life to our society. The electricity sector is present in each of our buildings, industries, power plants, and modes of transport. At Kuadrotek, we offer comprehensive solutions for every sector while maintaining innovations as one of our pillars and working on the continuous improvement of every new product and offered service. For over 10 years at Kuadrotek, we have been developing complex solutions within multiple fields such as railways, energy, industry, infrastructure, and OEMs, where we have gained in-depth experience that allows us to carry out top-tier projects. In the railway industry, we work to support our clients with the outsourcing of electrical solutions, such as cabinets and harnesses for the interior wiring of trains. We have our own proprietary technology that allows us to automate our processes through an interface capable of communicating our clients' initial documentation to our smart factory. This is all backed up by an ISO TS certified quality control system, which guarantees the reliability of the special processes and the management, ensuring the optimal quality of our products. For highly complex electrical switchboards, we use a digital twin system. We simulate every installation using EPLAN and Solidworks software, which allows the maximum precision in our production. In our laser machining center for structures and closings, in the punching and bending equipment for copper bus bars, and in wire processing machines, streamlining the process and making it reliable. Whatever the sector, anywhere in the world, at Kuadrotek, we aspire to be our customers' go-to tool for their industrial activity and become their day-to-day advisor for ongoing improvement.